In a world where technology touches every part of our lives, have you ever wondered who tells these devices what to do? Welcome to Digital Dimension, where today we will explore the heart of all things tech, programming. At its core, programming is like writing a recipe, but for your computer. Instead of sugar and spice, we use code to tell it exactly what to do. It's how we create software, apps, and even the video games we love. Think of it as learning a new language, but instead of using it to communicate with other people, we use it to communicate with computers. Programming allows us to give precise instructions which the computer follows step by step to perform tasks. For example, here's a simple line of Python code. We can read print hello world. This tells the computer to display the text hello world on the screen. Now imagine more complex code running a game, managing a web application, or even controlling a robot. Each of these uses programming to function. Programming isn't just about the lines of code we write, it's about the logic and structure behind those lines. It's the blueprint that guides a computer to solve problems and perform tasks efficiently. But why does this matter? Well, programming is the brain behind your favorite app, the weather algorithm that you check to see if it will rain, and even the friend recommending your next binge-watch series. It's shaping your future, one line of code at a time. In healthcare, it enables telemedicine. In education, it powers e-learning platforms. In entertainment, it runs streaming services. The impact is everywhere. Now, imagine a doctor diagnosing a patient from miles away through telemedicine, or a student in a remote village attending a virtual class. That's the power of programming. It's revolutionizing how we live, learn, and interact with the world. Think about it. What everyday tasks do you use that might be powered by programming? Let us know in the comments below. Is it your morning alarm, your social media feed, or maybe your fitness tracker? Let's break it down further. We can call this recipe an algorithm. An algorithm is like a treasure map for solving problems, a set of instructions to reach a goal. For example, think about the steps you take to make a cup of tea. That's an algorithm in action. And programming languages, they're how we communicate those instructions to the computer. From Python to Java, each has its way of making the computer understand us. Think of Python as English and Java as French. They both convey instructions, but in different languages. Different programming languages are suited for different tasks. Python is great for data science and AI. Java is widely used in large-scale enterprise environments. C++ powers game development and systems programming, and JavaScript is essential for web development. Each language has unique strengths and is chosen based on the project requirements. Let's look at some real-world examples. Websites are often built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Mobile apps might use Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. Games can be developed using C++ in Unreal Engine or C# in Unity. Each of these applications relies on programming to function seamlessly. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Ready to decode more mysteries of programming with us? Subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss out on our adventure into the digital dimension, where programming is the key to unlocking infinite possibilities. In the next videos, we will take a look at how you can start programming. Did you love the introduction to the world of programming? Give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next dimension.